What's really good, YouTube family? It's your boy BLESSKICKZ. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Guys, I got something really nice to show you guys. You know what they say, when you happen to be at the right place at the right time, that's exactly what happened to me on Friday. I happened to be in Queens and Sneaker had given all the New Yorkers the early access to get this Jordan 4 Brick by Brick by Nigel Sylvester. I entered for my size, my wife's entered for her size. I didn't really hit, but she did. So on Saturday, we went down to Jamaica, Queens, and we picked up our pair. It was pretty hectic because a lot of people were there, and you know, they had the whole drill to get the to go inside and get the pair. You have to go through like 4 different people to make sure that nobody is scamming to get this pair. So everything went good and smooth, and once we got the pair, people were asking, hey, you want to sell the pair? Or, you know, your boy don't sell pairs, your boy keeps them. You feel me? So anyways, we got there, we had the big brick outside, and the one that I showed you guys in Seoul from the video, probably like 2 videos ago, and that brick was there. Everybody was taking pictures there, and then we had a lot of celebrities that came through, like Fabulous. I didn't get to see him because I don't know if he came before me or after I left. I'm not too sure, but I know he was there. But guys, this pair, I cannot wait to unbox this pair in front of you guys just like in a minute. But this pair comes out, I think, on the 17th. So good luck to everybody, including myself, because I need this pair in my size. Alright, so let's go and do this. There we have it. Bike Air. Instead of Nike, Bike Air, guys. Let's get in and get the pair out. Here we have a big brick, guys. Just like the bricks in New York City, we have this box looking like a brick. Really nice. Feel pretty good, you know. Alright, so let's open this up. As you guys can see, got the Jordan logo over here, and I got it signed. I told my wife, hey, make sure that he signs your box. Alright, so there you go, guys. He signed the box, which was really good. And yeah, it's 7.5, my wife's size, so it worked out pretty good. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, got that Air Night Bike right written inside right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's put this on the side, and it's packed like a brick. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so this is the whole pairs, both of them. So it comes in a Ziploc bag. Pretty nice. Yo, I haven't unboxed a pair like this. It's pretty good. It says go right inside the box. Pretty cool. Let's open it up. Yo, LeBron James just got his pair today. That was pretty cool. Yo, he was already wearing it. Yo, I swear, if this was my size, I was gonna wear it right away because I needed those pictures from the brick with these sneakers. Well, it's all good. I still took a lot of pictures in front of the brick, so let's open these up, put this on the side. Cool, nice packing, and there you guys have it. Let's put it on the side. Alright, Jordan 4 Brick by Brick by Nigel Sylvester. Very dope pair, guys. Look at this, looking like a brick. Look at the whole hill, in the front. Yo, it feels like a brick for real. Got the little switch in the front, really nice. The texture on this is buttery, really nice. Suede all around, very nice pair. Got the Bike Air written right in the back. That's Imagine. Instead of writing Nike Air, they got Bike Air right in the back, guys. That's really nice. It already comes with the red laces, and I know it probably does come with the white laces as well. There we have it. I'll be honest, this will look good. Really nice with the white laces. On the tongue, we got the Jordan Flight logo right in the front, and then behind the tongue, we got Jordan Biking Pro 2017. Very nice. And then let's go to the bottom and see. We get the white and red bottom with the Nike written right in the middle, which is nice. Imagine if they had Bike in the middle as well. That would be nice. Inside it says go. Alright, so we picked up this pair from Ands & Sons, which was you know, tribute to his Nigel's mom. when she was leaving, I did see her. She left she left like in I think it was a Q70 Infinity, and I didn't get to see him. He never came out, but people were kind of like going crazy because a lot of people, you know, they were trying to get in, but there was a lot of security. They weren't letting them in. I mean, why should they? Because, you know, whoever hit it on the pair should go in and get their pair, or else, you know, it gets too hot, you know. So there it is, guys. Jordan 4 Brick by Brick by Nigel Sylvester. Very, very nice pair. Look at the details on this. Man, I can't wait to get this in my size, because yo, I need this in my size for real, because this is a very, very nice pair, and I'm really, 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 really digging it, you know. Alright, so I will be showing you guys more pairs. I did get the Union LA Unions, the Chicago Shadows. I hit on their raffles, you know, when they did the drop on their website. So your boy hit. I'm gonna be in my next video. Hopefully, I'll do it on that. I'll show you guys the whole pair. But for now, you know, this is what I'm working with. So I hope you guys like the video. Good luck to everybody on the 17th. I think that's when this pair comes out on the sneaker. So good luck to everybody, including myself. And hope you'll hit, you know. And then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.